started with the carving, sharp the stone and start the drawing, kneeling on the sand and waiting for the mentor. Dip the pen with ink and link and make a statement even thick, and hey, can adore the written if it's a canvas. Writing that just can make the mountain smooth and curvy in your note, and hey, writing your life is easy, only way to make it fizzy.